this tree and was looking over that way and saw him come out. Literally, I was just about to get my phone out and be like, hey, it's day 4 of the season, blah, blah, blah. There's a deer. Where'd he go? That was weird. He's heading towards the pond over there. I know he didn't smell me because the wind's blowing from him to me. He literally turned around and went right back north again. There's no way he saw me. He's about 100 yards away. That's really weird. I don't know. It's also weird that he doesn't have a doe with him. Oh, by the way, it's 70 degrees again today. I went ahead and put my hoodie on just to have some camo on my arms, but it's freaking hot with this hoodie out here and the sun shining on me. It's so bizarre. How bizarre. I know he didn't freaking see me or smell me. There's no way. He's a good sized deer. He's a younger 8-point, but he has a good sized rack on him already. Dang. I was hoping he was going to come right out here in front of me and get a better look at him. Alright, the hunt has begun. I can only see one, but there's 3 or 4 of them down there. There's another one right there. There's the mama. Two right there. I think there's 4 altogether. There's the mama doe. Yep. There's 4. Finally get him to all move around at the same time. One there. One right there. One still back there in the back. And then the mama up ahead of all of them. Wonder if all 3 of those fawns are hers. If so, then she's got to be a, I don't know, at least a 3 or 4 year old doe, I would think. They usually have one their first year. And once they're 2 or 3 years old, they'll typically have 2 in the spring. but could be triplets on her. I'll starting to go north. Put the phone down. Oh, it's so warm. I got mosquitoes buzzing around me. As soon as the sun goes down a little bit, they start coming out. It's 4:30. I still got those 4 does down here by the pond. Deer right there is about 50 yards out, maybe 45. Just fun to watch them walk around. It's also fun whenever a group of does attracts a big old freaking monster buck too. So hopefully that happens. And seen. It is 4:45, and it is Tuesday, the 4th day of rifle season of 2025 in Missouri. And I haven't heard a shot all night, the past hour and a half. And my shot count is like 75. It's under 80. I've only counted like 75 shots all season. I've had years, that's usually how it is, I'll have over 200, I'll hear over 200 shots on the opening weekend alone. It's very slow this year. I don't know if less people are hunting or people are just being more selective about what deer they kill. That would be a good start to having better hunting. I don't know. Hopefully something starts stirring around soon. You know how it is. The sun starts going down, it gets dark fast. So, you gotta have light to shoot. I'll check back in with you guys later. It's 5:15. I haven't seen any more deer yet, but somebody just to the west of me, probably 3/4 of a mile away, just shot 3 times. So, hopefully they didn't shoot the same deer 3 times. That would be a bit excessive. But those are the only shots I've heard so far tonight, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the shot count up to 80 so far for the past few days. Alright, I'm going to put you guys back down.